name is?
I'm Yohati Jean-Marie Vianney. I'm teaching mathematics in GS Gender in Nyayo district.
Next.
My name is Romain Dayambaje. I'm a teacher at TTC Kirambo. I teach physics.
My name is Kawi Oshinege Pareri. I'm a teacher of mathematics at GS Unihomo.
My name is Naumenyere Ibrahim.
Which school?
GS Unihomo.
My name is Naumenyere Ibrahim. I'm a teacher of mathematics at TTC Santa Maria Karambo.
Thank you. My name is Solange Ulimuri, a teacher at GS Morambabe. I teach physics.
Thank you. My name is Shanda Masena Orema. I'm a teacher of physics at GS Akanzu in Ruamakana.
My name is Mukamurenzi Charlotte, a teacher of mathematics at GS Kyarwa, Huye district.
Thank you. I'm Zilemanya Brigire. I'm a teacher of physics at the SC-Save in the Gisagara district.
Can we start?
Okay. This is a project based on how we can generate a fresh air in our room. Okay, this is a motor. This is a fan. This is a sensor for sensing temperature. This is a screen where we observe the temperature in our room. After making a block of instructions that must be responded by this sensor, this fan must start to turn in order to give the fresh air. Okay, this one, as in our teaching, in our lessons, have met with the energy conservation. What the teaching energy conservation, we teach how energy can be converted into other. We told our lads that a motor changes electrical energy into mechanical energy, but in only our words. But now, using this motor makes electricity from in these wires to make this fan to rotate. That means the electrical energy convert into mechanical energy. That means from now we will not meet with any difficulties about how energy are transformed.
Thank you. And me also, as a mathematics teacher, when I'm teaching rotation, I can use this sensor. Because as you see, this air condition, this can be represented air condition. Means that when I'm teaching rotation, I can use this sensor to show to show runners how the object can rotate in such a direction. If it rotates in this direction, maybe also can change the direction of rotation. And the runner will get a full knowledge about the rotation and see how an object can rotate and see how the importance of rotation in our daily life. Means that this object can give us a fresh air. Means that this one, when you know the rotation can be rotated object can be also used at home. It's like this one.
How were you teaching rotation before this training?
Yes, before this training, I teach rotation by using words, only words. Theory. Maybe I draw a circle, something like a circle, I show the runners, I draw an object, I show the runners how an object can rotate by using a chalk and rotate the object by using drawing.
And now what will you change?
But now I will change my teaching by using the real object. And the runner, I think, they will understand better the importance of the use of what they run.
Okay, next.
Mostly, the runners faced with the challenge of understanding what is the importance of mathematics. Always ask me a question. Why do we run this? What is the importance of this one? But now, from this PBR project approach, I will change my teaching approach by showing how the mathematics is very important in our daily life.
How is it important?
Yeah, it is very important because the one who make this one, they use the theory of rotation, as I have said. Okay. And also, when they run the translation and the rotation from the previous modules, like robotics and 3D dimension, when you are talking about 3D dimension, the runners can't understand anything. But now, when you are using drawing an object and you rotate, you revolve, and the runners will see how the object, all objects used in our daily life, like a cup, like a spoon, like other materials we saw last time, they made in mathematics.
Next,
by using
I see that lady is more interested.
Yeah. You're welcome, ready.
Okay, thank you very much. For me, maybe most have just explained it, but also I can add something for my runners. When you say, I'm coming, for example, in front of a door and the door is open exactly, they say that here it is magic, it cannot be, it can't. But from sensor, from using my computer and showing that I can make blocks and programs, and I can also, and how we can hear or catch sound, temperature, noise. They can communicate with what I have done in my computer and make just what we thought they are magic into real.
Next, your colleague, Mr.
And me as a teacher of physics, these trainings will help me to improve how I teach some topics, especially in senior 2, the unit which is called the electronics, introduction to electronics. Mm-hmm. When I was teaching electronics last year, we use some drawings, some pictures, but from now we're going to use some physical components. Like for instance, about this, there is some ways of examples of some materials used in electronics, like diodes, resistance, exist here. So it will help us to improve in our teachings.
Yes.
What do you teach?
I teach physics in TTC.
Will this project help you anyway?
Yes,
improving the way you teach physics.
Yes, it will help me to teach concepts that are related to moment. We have a moment that we can use that with
moment.
With that one. That van, how the van is turning. In the concept of moment, we can use it. And we have this water level detector. This experiment again can help us when we are talking about communicating vessels, when we are talking about how pressure is changing in different substances. Because this water to flow, they have to change the pressure inside. And that change of pressure is now allowing the water to move from one